Hello friends, we know Chat-GPT is an amazing AI tool and it can do so many cool things. One of them is writing code. In this video, we will see how to use Chat-GPT as a personal Python assistant. So let's start with our first task, which is asking Chat-GPT to make a roadmap to learn Python. So here I have given Chat-GPT prompt to provide me a roadmap to learn Python in 2 months with a weekly plan. I also asked to include resources and relevant links. ChatGPT as a Python assistant can help us understand some specific Python concept. For example, here I asked ChatGPT to explain dictionary in Python, and it beautifully explained the concept of dictionary along with code examples. Next, we can also use ChatGPT to understand complex topics. Here I asked ChatGPT to explain to me the object-oriented programming paradigm as if I am 10 years old, and it explained the topic very well. Getting help with your code. ChatGPT can also write code for you. Like here, I asked ChatGPT to write a code to extract Elon Musk's tweet using Twitter API, and as you can see, it provided me with a step-by-step process and code. Lastly, we can also practice Python coding with ChatGPT. Here I asked ChatGPT to provide me with some Python problems and it provided me with a bunch of problems.